Today we discuss factorization using square identities. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. These are two identities and we can call it square identities. And in previous classes we read about this properly. Okay, let me begin here. Can you see here a square plus 2ab plus b square is a square or not? Okay, this is right hand side. Is it square? Okay, let's look at here. Here this is left hand side is obviously square. It is square of a plus b whole square. If it is square, then this equals to this. So here RHS right hand side, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is also square. Okay, we can say this. Similarly, another identities, or we can say this formula, this side LHS is square, and that implies RHS is also square. Okay, now let's start with the question. Now here, fill in the blanks to complete square. Okay, this is the questions. Now what to fill in the blanks so that these terms become square. Okay, so for this one we will use this formula. Okay, which two formula use here? This here, this is plus, here second term is plus, so here this second term, that is also plus, so we have to use this formula. Okay, according to this formula, what should be here so that this whole term becomes square? Okay, so obviously we can say 2ab. Okay, that means first term is also square, second term is also square. Then by putting the middle term 2ab, we can make the whole term is square. Okay, now that means using this formula, in place of this one we can write here a plus b whole square. In the same way, this has been done, completed by using the formula. Now here also, using this formula, you have to complete this one. So at first, what to write in the middle? Okay, here can you say x square plus and 16. Here look at this. Can you put here 2a and b? No. Look at here. Here, although first term is already in square, second term is also should be square. Okay, so the criteria to use this formula, there should be square on the first term and of the last term. So first term and last term should be the squares to use this formula. Okay, this criteria everybody you keep in the mind properly. So at first we will make it here square. So 16 is, you know, we can see 4 square. Look at this. After being square, so what do you have to put? You know, to use this formula, 2ab you have to put here. 2. Here a means the term without. Look at the first term, the without square is a. So without square is here x. So we will put here a is here x. And in place of b, what do we put here? In the last term without square is b. So in the last term without square is here 4. So this is b. So this term, in this incomplete term can be complete square by putting this one. Okay, now here we can write a means here this x plus b means here 4. Okay, look here, using this formula this term now has been the complete square. Okay, this is what you are told to do here. Okay, we can be more clear by taking another questions. 9a square and it has minus n plus 16b square. So look at here. We know, we just focus here, the first and last term should be square. Okay, so does it have square or not? Yes, it is square, and we have to make it square like this. You know, here 9 means this is squares of 3 and a square means square of a, so we have to make whole square. Okay, and it has minus and others. Here also we have to make it whole square. For that 16 is square of 4 and b square is square of b. So we first make it square, because to use both formula, first and last term, first and third term should be square. So we made it. Now what to write in the middles? Look at here, 2 from the formula. Now in place of a, in the first term, the term without square is a, so here this is a, and here you know b is b, 2ab, so b is here 4b, that is this way. Now this terms will be put to make the complete squares. Now it becomes complete squares. Then we can write here the complete square is a plus b, that is whole square. This way this one is also complete. Okay, now another questions, that is factorize. So we will use this to factorize. Okay, a square plus 12a plus 36. So to factorize using this formula, we have to make first term and last term square. Okay, so here first term is a square and this is plus, and third term is 36, that is square of 6. Okay, now to a means here the term without, you know, you cover the this square, then that is a, and b means here 6, you cover this square and what is seen is b here, so it becomes this one. Look at here, here in place of 12a, this is also 12a, this is also 12a, and we here write in this form so that it becomes formula. Okay, to make like formula. Now look at here, a square plus 2ab plus b square, it is in formula, so apply the formula now, that is a plus b whole square. So this is the factorization of these three terms using the formula. And you see another one also, that is 25 x square minus 2xy plus y square by 24. So same process you follow. you have to make whole square in the first term and last term here. Last term is y square, that is square of y, and the 25, that is square of 5. So this equals to this. Now 2, a means here 5x and b means here y by 5. This is a, this is b, and we have put here 2ab. Now what to write here, which formula to use here? A plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. It has minus, so you have to use a minus b whole square, that is 5x. A and b is y by 5. Okay, so this is the factorization of using these two formula or identities. So this one is simple, you can do is easily. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you.